Hello, welcome back to Ellie English. I'm Ellie and today I'm going to teach you about this vowel here. I'm going to teach you how to make the sound. I'm going to give you all the different ways that we can spell the sound. Plus, I'm going to give you a free workbook that will help you to understand the sound. There are exercises in here for you to do, some activities for you, and it will just help it make a little bit more sense for you. To download that workbook, you just need to click the link that's below this video and it's all yours as my gift. I don't know why this vowel makes me laugh, but it does. To make this sound, we need to be relaxed. We're going to imagine that we're doing yoga or that we're on the beach or something like that. We're going to take some air from the lungs and we're just going to blow it out. Like that. And then to make the vowel sound, all we're going to do is just make it a little bit longer. And that's your vowel sound. In the spelling, we always have the letter R after this vowel sound, but in most British English accents we don't actually pronounce this R sound. American accents, they usually do pronounce this R, but we don't. So when you're practicing this vowel, just be really careful that the lips aren't rounding to take you into that R sound. Right, I'm going to give you all the ways that we spell this sound, starting here. You are. For example, burn, turn, church. Okay, here there's no R after this sound. We also spell it IR. For example, bird, first, shirt. We can spell it ER, like her, person. We can spell it EAR. For example, learn, earn, heard. We can spell it OR, for example, word, work. Or we can spell it OUR, for example, journey. There are a lot of ways then that we can spell this sound, which does make it quite tricky. However, I've got help for you, my dears. In the free download, which is down here somewhere, I'm going to help you out with it. I'm going to give you lots of example words and it's just going to make it all so much easier. So make sure that you download that worksheet and I'll see you in the next video.